Sometimes life can feel overwhelming, like there's no escape from the constant busyness, distraction, and noise. But sometimes, the only way to truly achieve what we want is to disappear, to take a break from everything, to delete the app, to walk away, and fall back into the dark room. I'm speaking to the athlete, the administrator, the nurse, the doctor, the student, the communicator, the pioneer, the inventor, the entrepreneur, the preacher, and anyone who refuses to stay where they are. You might not have a problem with obscurity, but when you come out of that dark room, all eyes will be on you. Everybody wants destiny, manifestation, fulfillment, and the next level. But nobody wants to eliminate distractions, disappear for 3, 4, or 6 months, and focus on themselves. What if you could just shut out every distraction? What if you could shut up the world for just a season and focus on yourself? A man is rewarded in public for what he does in private. Can you unplug for just a moment and focus on you? Why are you here? What is your destiny? The reason you haven't seen it yet is that you haven't been willing to forsake all that you've been called to forsake and to follow through behind closed doors. You can talk about it, plan it, write it down, go to conferences, read about it, but at some point, you have to disappear and put in the work. And when you come back, you'll shock everybody that doubted you.
It's time to get real, to get raw, and to look ourselves in the mirror. We have to come to the resolve that this version of ourselves is not going to carry us in the stretch. We've been this version of ourselves long enough. If we don't change, if we don't do something about this, then we'll find ourselves bankrupt. Some of the most monumental and transformational portraits and pictures that we've ever seen were developed in the dark room. We celebrate athletes, critical thinkers, innovators, and actors, but we don't know the story behind the glory. We don't know the blood, the sweat, the tears, or the prayers that went into their success. One of the greatest tragedies in life is to live and not know why you're living. But you can change that. Are you willing to disappear? Are you willing to forsake all distractions? Can you hide yourself in the library, the gym, the boardroom, your books, your closet, or your prayer room? Can you do what's required behind the scenes to manifest the moment?
We have this passion to be in the public eye, but no patience to do the work behind the scenes. Stop telling the world what you're about to do. Work on it in secret, and then release it to the world. We only have so much real estate in our minds and our hearts. We only have so much bandwidth in our mental capacity, and the more distractions, delusions, and negativity that we allow to take up real estate in our hearts and minds, the less energy we have to fulfill our call, manifest our destiny, and bring our ideas to life. So it's time to do an appraisal of everything and everybody in our lives. Are they worth our time? If not, it's time to unplug, time to disappear, time to focus on ourselves and manifest our destiny.